Hello class, this is a video tutorial on time formats and time calculations. Recording what time of day it is usually done in two formats, 12-hour time and 24-hour time. 12-hour time is what we are most familiar with, well, I'd like to think we are, and it involves AM and PM in the time. 24-hour time does not include AM and PM and counts as high as 24 hours. So here's a table of these conversions. So if it was 12 a.m., it'll show as 0000 or 2400 in the clock of a 24-hour time. If it's 5 a.m., it's 0500. Notice how there's no a.m. being shown. If it's 10 a.m., it's 1000. Again, no a.m. or p.m. 12 p.m. is 1200, but the obvious difference now is once it's past 12 p.m., 1 p.m., it keeps counting beyond 12, so it becomes 1300. 4 p.m. is 1600, and a quick way you can do that is just take the 1200 and you add the 4. So 12 plus 4 is 1600. So if you wanted to, let's say, know what 11 p.m. is, so 12 plus 11 makes 2300. So let's do a few calculations of converting between the two and finding differences in time. So let's do a few of these. Here we go. Let's convert the following to the other time format. 10:20. Notice how there's no AM or PM, which means this must be in 24-hour time. Converting this, it's a simple conversion as 10:20 AM. 13:24. Well, this is clearly in 24-hour time, and it's past 1200. So to convert backwards, you can just subtract 1200. 13 take away 12 is 1. And notice how 24 take away 00 is just 1:24 p.m. We know it's p.m. because it's past 1200. 8:47 a.m. Very simply, that's 08:47. 6:58 p.m. You can convert this to 12-hour time by adding 1200. And you know to add 1200 because it is p.m. It's past noon. So this is 6 plus 12 is 18. 18:58. Let's calculate the time after a given time and a given amount of time. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how I normally would calculate these. Here we go. So in my mind, I'm actually taking the 850 and I like to round up or add to the nearest whole hour. So for this, I'm going to add 10 minutes, which gives me 9 a.m. Since I've added 10 minutes, I'm going to subtract 10 minutes from this, which means we have 16 minutes remaining to add. So adding 16 minutes gives us 9:16 a.m. Now from here, no more minutes. I'm going to add the hours. So plus 5 hours. You can count this just using your fingers or on the paper. So let's tally 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So we added 5 hours and ended up on 2:16 p.m. And if we wanted to convert this into 12-hour time, we add 1200, which gives us 14:16. Another example here. Now it says before, meaning we need to subtract from 1524 this amount. in the exact same way. 15, 24. Let's subtract 24 minutes. This gives us 1500. I'm going to subtract 24 from this as well, leaving us with 14 minutes left. So let's subtract 14 minutes. We're clearly going to subtract down to 1400. But now, to do this, we're going to borrow 60 minutes, because there's 60 minutes within an hour. So 60 take away 14 is 46. So we're finished with the minutes. Now we just need to subtract the 6 hours. So subtracting 6 hours from this, 14 take away 6 is 8:46. Or we could have left it as 08:46 or 8:46 a.m. Likewise here, to find the time difference between two different times, what I like to do here is I take the earliest time, so 9:32, and I start matching each number to the target goal. So for 2 to become 8, we add 6. 9:38. And then now we're going to add to the next hour, so plus 30 minutes. That's 10:08. Because I'm now going to try and match this 3 to the 2. We can only do that by moving forward. So we've added 30 minutes to get to 10:08. I'm going to add 20 minutes to get to 10:28. Notice now we're matching the minutes of this. Now it's just a matter of matching to the 3. So we're at 10. So 10, 11, 12. So let's plus 2 hours. And let's add 3 hours. This gives us 3:28 p.m. Adding all of this together. So adding all the additions that we did, so that's 5 hours in total. And 56 minutes. 5 hours, 56 minutes. Let's do this one again. Here we go. Same deal. 5:25 p.m. to 11:15 p.m. So let's start matching each individual amounts. So the earliest time is 5:25, and we're going to add to 11:15. Well, the 5 already matches, so we don't need to worry about that. We now need to worry about the 2, the 10s. Let's add 40 minutes to get to 6:05. Now let's add 10 minutes to get to 6:15. So we're now at 6:15. The minutes are now matching. Now we need to add to get to the 11. 6 plus 5 hours gets to 11:15 p.m. So adding it all together, these values here, that is 5 hours and 50 minutes. So I hope that gave you an insight into calculating time using what I like to call skip counting by matching numbers. Hopefully that simplified how you would do these. You don't have to do them the way I've shown. This is just a simplified way that I like to do these in my mind. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.